May inilabas po na survey ang Social Weather Stations o ang SWS, pero hindi po ito tungkol sa senatorial preferences para sa midterm elections ngayong taon. Ayon po sa SWS, mas maraming Pilipino suportado ang impeachment ni Sara Duterte. 4 sa 10 Pilipino o 41% ang sumusuporta sa impeachment o pagtanggal sa pwesto ni Vice President Sara Duterte, ayon sa survey ng Social Weather Stations. Ang SWS survey ay isinagawa sa pagitan ng December 12 at December 18, 2024. Habang 19% naman ang nananatiling undecided sa issue. Sa kasalukuyan, mayroong 3 impeachment complaint laban kay VP Sara Duterte na isinampa ng 6 na miyembro ng House of Representatives. Ang pinakamataas na porsyento ng mga pabor sa impeachment ni Duterte ay naitala sa Balance Luzon na may 50%, sinundan ng National Capital Region sa 45%, habang 40% lamang ng mga respondent sa Visayas ang pabor na tanggalin si Duterte bilang vice-presidente. Ang bailiwick ni Duterte, ang Mindanao, gayunpaman ay nagtala ng pinakamababang bilang ng mga pabor sa kanyang impeachment na may 22%. Kaugnay nito, 56% ng mga respondents sa Mindanao ay laban sa kanyang impeachment. Basahin ko po yung balita ng GMA Integrated News. 4 in 10 Filipinos or 41% are supportive of the impeachment or removal from office of Vice President Sara Duterte, a Social Weather Stations survey showed. The SWS survey conducted between December 12 and December 18, 2024 and commissioned by advisory and consultancy group Stratbase also revealed that 35% of Filipinos are against the impeachment of Duterte. At least 19% of the respondents are undecided. There are 3 impeachment complaints filed by various groups and endorsed by 6 members of the House of Representatives against the Vice President. The highest percentage of those in favor of Duterte's impeachment was recorded in Balance Luzon with 50%, followed by the National Capital Region at 45%, while only 40% of the respondents in Visayas are in favor of removing Duterte as Vice President. Duterte's bailiwick, Mindanao, however, recorded the lowest figure of those in favor of her impeachment at 22%. Correspondingly, 56% of the respondents in Mindanao are against her impeachment. At least 37% of respondents in Metro Manila are also against the impeachment, just slightly above Visayas, which posted a 33% figure. Meanwhile, 25% of those in Balance Luzon are also against the impeachment of Duterte. Among socio-economic classes, the support for impeachment of Duterte is highest in the ABC bracket at 50%. Class D and E bracket recorded 41% and 37% support for Duterte's impeachment respectively. As for the top reason for Duterte's impeachment, 46% of the respondents said she should be removed from her post due to her failure to explain the confidential and intelligence fund spending by the Office of the Vice President and Department of Education during her term as Education Chief. The rest of the reasons were Duterte's refusal to answer investigations on the use of confidential and intelligence funds. Nagtala ito ng 36%. Ill-gotten wealth that could not be explained in her statements of assets, liabilities, and net worth, which makes 25%. Duterte's threat to the lives of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, and Speaker Martin Romualdez at 24%. Involvement in extrajudicial killings during her tenure as mayor of Davao City at 23%. Duterte's failure to condemn China's aggressive actions in the West Philippine Sea at 13%. Lack of self-control, for example, she let her emotions get the better of her during a press conference where she continuously criticized President Marcos Jr. and said she wanted to behead him over the latter's refusal to give his watch to a cadet at 12%. Her trip to Germany during the onslaught of Typhoon Karina at 11%. And lastly, ordering her subordinates to prepare accomplishment reports on the distribution of confidential and intelligence funds supported by fabricated receipts and documents at 11%. The SWS poll had 2,160 respondents with a margin of error of +2. So ayan po ang mga dahilan kung bakit gusto nilang ipa-impeach si Vice President Sara Duterte. At kung may mga lugar man na mas mataas yung ayaw ipa-impeach si Sara Duterte, ang overall po nito, ang resulta, 41% ang gustong ma-impeach si Sara Duterte at only 35% ang ayaw. Kasi meron pa rin pong 19% na undecided. Pag nauntog lang yung mga 19% na yan at makita nila ang katotohanan sa ginawa ni Sara Duterte, magdi-decide na rin yung mga yan in favor of the impeachment. Although sinabi naman ni Sara Duterte na handa niyang harapin ang impeachment cases laban sa kanya, at hindi ba, posibleng isa sa magiging abogado niya ay ang kanyang amang si former President Rodrigo Duterte. So, mas maganda talaga na matuloy ang impeachment trial ni Sara Duterte para magkaalaman na. Dahil iginigiit ni Sara Duterte na wala siyang nagawang kasalanan. Pero ang pagbabatayan natin ay ang mga survey, mas marami pong Pilipino ang gustong ma-impeach si Sara Duterte. Kayo, kaninong panig kayo? Impeach or not to impeach? Comment lang po down below at magbabalik ang usapang Tito Manny. Diyos ti Agnila.